It was a windy day on the island of Sodor. Trees were blown, leaves were scattered, and Sir Topham Hatt's hat flew away. The engines were looking forward to the annual Sodor Flower Show. At Tidmouth Sheds, Sir Topham Hatt had news of an important special delivery. It must get to Maithwaite Station before the world-famous opera singer Alicia Botti arrives, he boomed. Alicia Botti was coming to open the flower show. The engines were very excited. They all wanted to collect the special delivery, but Sir Topham Hatt gave the job to Percy. Percy was delighted. But after Sir Topham Hatt left, Gordon and James were sniffy. It can't be that Percy arrived at Brendan Docks just as Cranky unloaded his special delivery. Percy was disappointed to see it was a roll of carpet. What's so special about a carpet, he wheezed gloomily.
Maybe it's a magic carpet, me hearty, said Salty. I've heard tales of carpets that can fly. Do you know any magic words? Said Salty.
You mean like please? Asked Percy hopefully.
No, Percy, said Salty. Other magic words like hey presto, hocus pocus, and abracadabra.
Cranky had lowered the carpet onto Percy's flatbed. It doesn't look very magic, said Percy sadly. But as Percy puffed away, the carpet unrolled, as if by magic. Percy puffed as quickly as he could. He had to stop at a junction. Gordon was waiting there. When Gordon saw what Percy's special delivery was, he sniffed louder than ever. A carpet? No wonder Sir Topham Hatt gave the job to a small engine. Just then, look, Percy cried. It is a magic carpet. It can fly. That's not magic, snorted Gordon. That's just the wind.